Every Saturday morning, just after the 9 o'clock news, we do a program here on 99.9 The Big Dawg. It's called Retirement Matters, and the host is Dale Smothers. Dale, Big Dawg, good morning to you.
Good morning to you, Larry. How you doing, sir?
Doing well, doing well. On this cloudy Thursday morning.
Cloudy Thursday, yeah. It's going to be a beautiful day on the market, though, I can tell you. The market actually last night, right as market closed, a large company came out, Nvidia, you may have heard of it, large company that really does a lot of the AI work, a lot of the heavy lifting in artificial intelligence. They posted an incredible earnings, and this is going to be a good thing for most 401ks today. So that's a beautiful day in the market if you want to think of. The sun will be shining most likely as the market opens. We'll see it higher. The S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Dow even has had a little bit of a sell-off here over the last couple of weeks. If you've seen your 401k, you've logged in and maybe seen some of the money that has moved around up and down. There's been a little bit more down than up over the last couple of weeks. And primarily, Larry, that's been because of a little bit of a fear on what this artificial intelligence spending will actually bring in terms of revenue. We've talked about this multiple times on the show here, not only on our weekend show, the Retirement Matters show, but with you and I. We talk once a month at least. And last month we were talking about when people start asking this question, all the money that's being spent in AI, when's it going to generate revenue? When that question is asked, people will start to take pause, and that has taken place over the last couple of weeks. Now, there was this thought that maybe artificial intelligence was in, if we use a baseball analogy, in a later inning. Let's say it was close to the end of the game for artificial intelligence. And the report that came out yesterday, right at the market close, again with Nvidia, tells us that maybe we're not clearly close to the game as much as we thought. We could be in very early innings even. Artificial intelligence is here to stay. It's going to change the world, and it's likely already changed some of your 401k. Now, what do you need to be doing if you are invested in 401ks, IRAs? Maybe you've got some exposure to artificial intelligence. You've seen this pullback. It's all about timing at this point, Larry. It depends on how far away you are from retirement. We talk about this every single weekend. How far are you from retirement? If you're near retirement, if you need money from your 401k in the next 5 years, I would be careful getting too exposed to this artificial intelligence trade because it clearly is a bubble. When it pops, I'm not sure. And does it actually pop or just let a little bit of air out? Well, that's another thing that we're not entirely sure of. Participate in your 401k in a safe manner, and it is possible to do that. If you're over the age of 59 and a half, you even have another tool at your disposal called an in-service rollover, where you can take the 401k, park it in an IRA, and get a little bit more conservative and a little bit more intentional. These are things that we help our clients with every single day. In retirement, it's so much more, Larry. This close to retirement, near, let's say 5 years from retirement, this period of time is the perfect time to start getting serious about building a plan for when you're going to take Social Security, building a plan for maybe even what Medicare you need to be choosing if you're close to 65, building this plan for what happens if another 2008 takes place. What does that do to your portfolio? Where are you going to get that money from that you need to live every single day? There's so much more to retirement than just investing, but clearly the market is in our primary focus as we approach retirement. We talk about that every single weekend right here on this show.
And you'll be talking about it this Saturday morning.
That's exactly
after
right.
the news at 9, Dale.
After the news at 9.
Good to see you.
Good to see you, Larry.
I know you've been on TV a little bit lately, haven't you?
We've been on TV, yes, sir. It's been a journey. It's been incredible.
Fox Business
coming up here at the beginning of December. We're going to be with Charles Payne, maybe Stuart Varney. That schedule's still to be laid out. We've got a little circuit going on there at the New York Stock Exchange, and it's just been a beautiful, beautiful journey, and God has blessed us, that's for sure.
Local boy hitting the big time.
I love representing Campbellsville. It's home. We've got offices in Campbellsville. We have an office in Bowling Green. We help clients across the nation, but Campbellsville is home. And what I want to do is be able to provide retirees in the Campbellsville area, in the listening audience of the Big Dawg specifically, provide them incredible advice that you just don't get at these firms that maybe are just there to invest your money. It's not that they're bad. They're growth advisors. Their objective is, number one, grow the money.
And it's all about education.
And you've got to be educated when you walk into retirement to live what we call the live happy retirement.
Dale, thank you so much. Got to run, but Saturday morning after the 9 o'clock news. There he is. Retirement Matters with Dale Smothers. Saturday morning after the news, you can use on the Big Dawg.